Hi guys, this is going to be a very short video of mine. What I have here is some Elonex docking station for iPod and iPad. It stopped working. It has stopped working for some reason. I took it apart and what I found was that there were two broken resistors just over here. Light's not good, but two broken resistors just where these two cables, just where these two plugs are, next door to them. They were broken, the whole thing wasn't working. These are the actual cables which are coming from the transformer. So I have replaced them and it's all good now. Yeah, if you have any problems with it, or if you have the same or similar problem, just have a look at these first. Thank you for watching.